I am back with a new first impressions review featuring the new e.l.f. Soft Glam foundation that's only $8. Let's put you to test. I picked up 2 shades. I actually ordered these on Amazon. We're gonna start first with a shade 41 Tan Neutral, and then I have Tan 42 Neutral. As you guys can see, the name comes in a sticker version, so it's not actually like printed on the packaging. As soon as I opened this, I noticed that there was no sealing little sticker in here, which I wish they could do that. But I do love the packaging because it's so slim. This is what 41 looks like, and this is what 42. I'm gonna try here on my neck. This is 41. And this is 42. And I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see, oh wow, the difference of it all. Now that I'm comparing my neck and also on my face, I do like 41 better, and it's starting to kind of dry. Is it oxidizing? Interesting. It's going to be a hot day today here in the tri-state area. I live here in New Jersey and it's 91 degrees. On my face, all I have is my sunscreen, and the only thing I did is my eyebrows because I can't live without that. I will use my putty primer on this side of my face just because I want to see how it's gonna look like. So we're gonna go ahead with shade 41. I'm gonna use this much. For application, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. complexion brush and also a sponge. This says that it's gonna give you a satin finish. It comes with 36 shades. The undertones, it's cool, neutral, and warm. Now I am an olive undertone. This plus my natural dewiness that I have when it comes to my combo skin, it's really peeking through, and it's kind of sticky. I want to say it gives you that satin kind of glowy finish. I think they did a really good job at even my complexion. Back to the undertones, I wish they could have an olive undertone like they did with the CC cream. So I hope that they try to expand their undertones just for us girls that have olive undertone. I don't know how many times I said undertone already. Hey, let me know down below. On the camera, it's translating beautifully, and you know I'm gonna bring my mind fire. I can still see my little brown spots. We're gonna add a second layer. And again, this is how much I am planning to use. Now this is infused with the 1% hydrating hibiscus complex, pomegranate, blueberry, and goji berry extracts. It's non-comedogenic, which means it's not gonna clog your pores. This is gonna work well with dry, oily, and combination skin. And okay, she is building beautifully. The coverage, it's better. I mean, I have a little redness and that really covered pretty well, but what do you guys think? It looks really nice on my viewfinder. It really does a really good job. Let's cover this side, and we're gonna do this using my sponge, and I'm just gonna dabble it all here. It's definitely a little bit more sheer, one layer, and it looks so natural. I can still see my imperfections peeking through. With a brush, you're always gonna get more coverage. I'm gonna do one more layer, and I'm gonna focus on the areas that I think I need more coverage with. I can also notice the difference with the putty primer. This looks a lot smoother than this one. This one is like, I can see it right here. Girl. That hibiscus, that pomegranate, that goji extract, and blueberry goodness of hydration is really reflecting on my skin. Guys, let me know what you think of the color matching. Did I do a good job or not really? Did e.l.f. website did a good job, or did they try me? Looks fine when I look at myself in the mirror. I think I want to take a picture because I want to see what it looks like. I do want to set the face because it's gonna be a hot day today and I'm gonna be outside. I don't know what to do, how my day is gonna go like, but I am gonna use a translucent powder because Lord knows I'm gonna need it. For my under eyes, I am gonna set with this e.l.f. Complexion powder palette, and I do like to add a little bit of that white just for the giggles, and whatever I have on my brush I'll just put it right here. It is currently 11:17 a.m. and today is going to be another hot day, but it's right now 84 degrees and it's gonna reach up to 90 degrees. I'm sure it's probably gonna feel like worse than that. I will definitely get back to you around 6 o'clock probably when I finish. That's gonna give a nice 6 to 7 hours wear test, and I'm gonna get back to you at the end. Let's zoom in and just see what is this giving. I am back reporting. I think right now might be 6:30. I was outside and we have a little camps with the kids. Luckily we had a nice breeze. I mean, the dewiness is real. I'm just trying to zoom in. I'm gonna have to stand up. With the sun, it just looks amazing. It looks so glowy and dewy and natural. My lipstick is already like fading, but so far it's looking good. I can't really tell. I'm gonna be in the shadow. See if I can even, I can, but it looks really nice. It's holding strong. Once I'm edit this video, I'm really gonna tell if it's like breaking in certain areas, which, listen, I smile all the time, so I can't help it if I have like my little smile lines, but so far it looks great. I am back again and it's right now 11:29 p.m. It's been about 12 hours already, and this is what the face looks like. Now mind you, I worked in the afternoon and New Jersey was 90 degrees. I was outside. I am a ball of grease. I think I haven't seen my face this oily in such a long time. Let's just go over how I prep my skin. This side I use a primer and I also use my beauty blender, and on this side I use the dual mode complexion brush and no primer. So with no primer, I'm oily AF. I mean, I can take in consideration the fact that here in New Jersey was really hot. Even though I did a follow-up check on my foundation after I finished summer camp, I was pretty dewy already by that time. I just couldn't really tell how much oiliness was going on in there. I see a very minimal crease on my marionette line. I mean, I don't mind that because that happens basically almost all the time with me. The foundation, it is still wearing. I'm even gonna use my other mirror because it has a magnifier. I don't know, I just feeling that it looks just about the same. It just looks really greasy and I don't like that at all. From far it may look cute and be like, oh my god, you have the healthiest complexion, but up close it's like, I don't know. The only part of my face that looks satin, that looks a little bit matte, is besides my lips, maybe here by my jawline right here, I feel a little bit more satin and definitely not as shiny as mainly here in my cheeks, my forehead, right in between my eyebrows, here, my chin. I would say not so much. If I probably use a sponge with a translucent powder, what a difference. This side with no primer, I have to say that the foundation is there. Maybe I got rubbed off a little bit here because I do tend to touch my face, and I'm not gonna lie. This side also as well, I just want to take a shower. I feel like I'm so sweaty, and the reason why I'm reporting this late, because I wanted to report around 9 o'clock, is because for those of you that follow BeautybyMariela, Argentina was playing and the game just finished right now and we won 1-0 against Chile. I was like, you know what, let me just extend the time while I'm wearing this foundation and just enjoy the game and just have dinner. First impression, I loved the beginning of it, just the outcome. And after 12 hours, if this is how I'm gonna look like, me no like it. But I'm still gonna give this a try. There are times when I do a first impression where are times I hate it and then I continue to give it a try, then it grows on me. But there's some products where just like, even though I give it a couple of tries, for those of us that have all combo to oily skin, in order for you to continue to use this is prepping your skin. Use a mattifying, I mean, I even my putty, but I need a mattifying primer, or I'm gonna actually try to use a translucent powder on the areas that I tend to get shiny, aka oily, and then I would add the foundation, and then I would start with the setting spray, because actually I didn't even use a setting spray. But if you have normal to dry skin, then you would actually probably love this foundation. If you're going for that extra dewiness, then this would be your friend. The other positive thing about this, I have to say, is that it's $8. So if you have normal to dry skin for $8, you can't beat it. If you have combo to oily skin, make sure you prep your skin prior to it with a mattifying one, even translucent powder. And my only downside about this is that I wish they could have an undertone for us with olive undertone, because they do carry that with their CC cream. And I think they could do a better job just incorporating that, which I hope they can continue to expand on the range of shade. Let me know down below if you already have purchased this foundation. If you like this type of videos, I did a whole playlist on me trying a lot of e.l.f. first impression products that I have done in the past, and I'm sure you're gonna love it, so I'm gonna leave it right here. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos. Bye.